money for any nigga that's drunk off that Henny liquor, and I've been stacking
That's so
all
funny.
of my bread. I'm not a penny pincher. Don't think I'm my Chevy banging the block. A lunatic like I'm Nelly, all eyes on me like I'm Pop. Yes, I am.